right? Okay, so if you want to like, so if I give a number like here, so let's comment all these things together. I'm going to make it a string. This is actually easy way of commenting, but this is not a valid comment. This is string. So if you use triple single quote, that shows this is a string. Then this part will not be executed because it is treated as empty. So it is treated as string. So that part will not be executed. You can use triple single quotation. But that is not a valid commenting method. That is not a actually genuine commenting method. This is like a trick. Trick එකක් විදිහට තමයි මම මේක කරේ. Genuine comments දාන්නේ කොහොමද? hash එකක් දාලා තමයි genuine comment එකක් දාන්න ඕනේ. hash hello. So this hello is a comment. But genuine නැතුව මෙහි විදිහටත් comment කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Single quotation තුනක් දාලා. That is not a standard method, but still valid. So I'm going to start from 1, and I'm again till while c less than or equal to, let's say, 6. What I'm going to do, I'm going to repeat everything together, and then I'll increase the c by 1, c equals c plus 1. So if I run this code, now we can see clearly, starting from 1 to start up to 6. So these numbers, oh, what has happened? And after printing that, what you have to do? Number equal, here number equals c. Number equals c. I had a fundamental mistake. Now we can see it's printed. Okay, 1, 2, 6, 24, 127, 50. So, but if you want to print this horizontally, so what you can do is you can put a comma and say end equal, maybe a comma, end with a comma. And then if I write like this, then it will go to the and print like this. If I put space there, end with space, it will be print space and write this forward. Now loop inside loop. So that is important. So inside for loop, you have, sorry, inside while loop, you have for loop. Loop inside loop. We found how to get the factorial, and then we loop through each factorial. So that is a new experience. Loop inside loop. Okay. Now I have explained this one. So, but I have not explained the Fibonacci. I'll keep that as a homework for you, but this homework, I don't like to do this in the class next day, right? Please try to do this along, because otherwise my expectation will become useless. Mage expectation. I want you to train on coding, not to teach or feed coding. Feeding coding is impossible, not possible. Because even after feeding, you can code the same thing only. You will not be able to innovatively code. So you know what? Coding will improve your logical thinking ability. At least 70% of your logical thinking ability will be approached and improved by coding. And not only that, so it will improve the creativity. It will improve the creativity. So please use coding to improve your skills. Right now you can copy, take a screenshot of this, or copy this, and try to do these exercises and come next day. Right, next day you have classes even, so before New Year you will have classes, no cancellations. So please come to classes on time. Right, if you missed that, I have uploaded the video. Please request the video, watch the video and come. Okay, do this and come, right? Next day, please do this and come. With that, I'm going to stop for today. Okay, then good night. See you all in the next week. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye.
Goodbye.